we present Fits and Starts, a study on the enterprise use of AutoML and the role of humans in the loop. In recent years, new technology has emerged to automate various aspects of data science work. These so-called AutoML technologies were initially used to automate the model creation process, but in recent years, their reach has expanded to other aspects of data science work. While the goal of AutoML technology is largely to reduce the role of humans in data science processes, full automation is not yet possible. What is more realistic are varying degrees of automation that trade off between human labor and machine computation across various stages of the data science pipeline. In our research, we wanted to understand what the role of humans in the loop were within these automated data science processes. We were especially interested in understanding how data visualization was used. To answer this question, we carried out a series of interviews with industry experts. Our semi-structured interview process prompted participants with questions about their use of AutoML technology. When it was possible, these interview sessions were recorded and transcribed. When recording was not possible, study administrators took notes that were used in the data analysis. We analyzed the transcripts as well as our interview notes using a previously described framework for data science work. We recruited 29 industry experts to participate in our study. Participants in our study fell into two categories: analysts that were engaged in the day-to-day aspects of data science work, and managers that oversaw data science teams. The majority of our study participants were analysts. These 29 individuals that we recruited collectively represent a variety of industrial sectors, from travel to government, software, and manufacturing, among others. Participants used AutoML technology to varying degrees. Some were knowledgeable, meaning that they knew about it but were not planning on using it in their work. Others were experimenting, meaning that they were creating proof of concepts to understand how AutoML technology could help their data science work. And finally, others were actively using AutoML technology in their work. The majority of our study participants were either experimenting or actively using AutoML. Here's an overview of what we found, including the role of humans in the loop and especially data visualization. Overall, we found three primary use cases for AutoML technology. The first was to automate routine tasks. The second was to rapidly explore a potential data science solution. And the third was to democratize the data science process by making it available to those individuals that do not have data science, computer science, or statistical training. In our paper, we add more context around these scenarios. In particular, what bottlenecks are. In automating routine tasks, one of the limitations of AutoML technology is that data preparation is still very time-consuming, and it can be challenging to correct and repair a model that you've deployed into production. We use participant quotes to emphasize these findings. We similarly found bottlenecks and opportunities for rapid exploration, as well as using AutoML to democratize data science work. We synthesize our work as a framework of automation across various aspects of data science work and according to different data science roles. What we found was that there was still a lot of human labor required to get AutoML technology to work, and the parts of automation that it was good at were only a small part of the data science process. We were also concerned to discover that data visualization is frequently abandoned in automated data science work. This was because it was just too difficult to create a data visualization, or because data visualization tools did not integrate well with these automated processes. Here are some of the key takeaways from our work. First, we should think much more about augmenting data science rather than trying to automate it. And this is because AutoML is largely a misnomer. There's still a lot of human labor required to get it to work. Finally, for data visualization researchers, we need to think more about how we integrate our tools into data science environments. Otherwise, we're just going to be ignored. You can find more in our paper, which is available at this web link.